Hi, what's happened to my necklace? 2 seconds. Hi, this is Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden, and today I'm going to do my May plot tour. I haven't done a plot tour for ages, so I'm going to start off in the greenhouse. We have cosmos that needs to be planted out. It's flowering already. Fennel down there, tomatoes, marigolds, rudbeckia, peas. Don't have a clue. Lots of peas, more lettuce, sunflowers, peas, sunflowers. What's that? Courgette, spare peppers, random. Dahlias, pot marigolds, sunflowers that have just been watered, spare sunflowers, lupins, pot marigolds, pumpkins, cabbages, spring onions, and that's my new seating area. Don't cry. Let these chickens out. So as you walk in, we've got Casper. Put the hose pipe on. Oh, that looks a bit different. So my composter right down in the weeds. It's my leeks. Onions are about ready to go out now. More dahlias. I keep cutting these and they just grow back really quick, you know. Supposed to do them good. There's the roots. Got this flower bed. Some raspberries ready to go out in the new allotment. Lilies. Casper. All those grass trees. Yeah, this lemon balm. That's what my allotment looks like. Just need a bit of a weed. Potatoes coming through. Strawberry bed. And the polytunnel. Is that a dog, Cass? Is that a dog? Are you going to be nice to it? Good boy, Casper. Yeah, that's got weeds in again. All these are planted out. It needs weeding again. Yeah. Kale. Kohlrabi. Some more kale. And Brussels sprouts. And we've got some space for something else. Casper's still looking at the dog. Be nice to the dog, Cass. Is this that needs weeding? Got shallots, globe archer, blackcurrants, it's all the garlic. Loads of nasturtiums are coming through. It's all my garlic. And that's my weeds I'm growing. I hope you're going to be nice to that dog, Casp. Good boy, nice. What's this? It's my lettuce. This is Rocket, where the peas were last year. Casper, go nicely. rhubarb and one's flowering. I know you're not supposed to let them flower, but it's actually got chardon but needs weeding. And then there's this bed. That doesn't really get much light because so I might move it. Filling up my water pot. I haven't sorted that out yet either. The chickens. What is all doing? You still staring at that dog? Okay. What are these kind of forget everything? Chives that I let flower for the bees at the allotment. And thyme. I'll show you the new allotment now. And there's people next door, so I don't like talking. Hello. Hello, gorgeous. Casper, go nicely with it. It's a little path I made. Hello. Hello, gorgeous. Hello. Right. Basically, everything's pretty much the same with some slight changes like this path. We've got some fencing in the way that I need help moving. I have the chickens out. All this on the left is all paving. I found out because we've been digging some of that. This is a new compost area. Casper, stay out there and you leave him alone. I'm watching you all. Yes, I am. Casper, do you have to? I don't go there. Casper, get out! Out! Why do you keep going in there? It's like a butterfly bush thing. That's the raspberries blended in with the weeds. Are you eating the grass for me, Cass? We lost our path now, haven't we? Excuse. Raspberries, autumn fruiting. This is like the hardest allotment ground ever to dig. There's the rest of the compost bin ready to move. I've covered that. This is going to be where the polytunnel is going to go because I've got a new polytunnel. We've put covers on everything to keep the weeds down, and this is where I planted the rhubarb. The chicken run at the back is a bit of a mess. I want to eventually connect both of the chicken runs together with a little tunnel at the back of the allotment. Here is the tayberries. Well, the tayberries are running along the fence and there's a spare rhubarb, look, that I didn't even know was there. I'm going to move that at some point. But I'm going to have fruit in there as well. There's my allotment. There's Casper eating the grass again. Lucky I don't use weed killer, huh? Anyway, there's my coffin bed on the left. There's my fire pit on the right. I've been having quite a few fires in that with the new allotment. That's the tour of my allotment and my new allotment. Got a bit of a swollen pooly eye. That's infected, so I'm taking antibiotics for it. Hi, Cass. Hi, Kiss. You know, there's new people next door on that one. Next to my new one. And I don't like talking to them. I normally have it all to myself. That's my little plot tour. I haven't done one for ages, years even. I thought I'll do one because I've got a polytunnel for my birthday that I'm going to be making a video just on that, of setting up the polytunnel with help from my partner. Hopefully other people as well, because it's massive, so I don't know who's going to help. Because I had help from my brothers, last time, and even more people for the little one. And it's come in 2 boxes. The cover is in a box all by itself. So yeah, it was raining. I nearly convinced myself not to come down, but I came down. That's my little pot tour. I'm going to try and edit my videos in properly. Anyway, that's my May 2026 plot tour. Plot tour. And it's just got dark. It's going to rain. Bye.